Stick around to see how we made these two cute, adorable crafts for St. Patrick's Day in about 5 to 10 minutes. Didn't take long at all. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, it is Cheryl, the activity author, and I am here today with another craft for you. All right, let's get started with the Leprechaun Mask. So go ahead and grab your paper plate, cut the center out like this. Grab you some string, put it on either sides, and then watch me construct this out of construction paper. I'll be back for our next craft, or if I need to explain something. But guys, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so that you know every time I post, because I know you're just gonna love my crafts. They're so original and so cute. So yeah, do that for me and I'll be back. All right, so I figured I gotta come back on here and explain what I'm doing now. So the best way to angle the hair around the plate, because it's a circular plate, is you need to cut it in smaller chunks. So I guess little Afro puffs. So you're gonna take that and you're gonna angle it around the plate like you see me doing. That's the best way to get the Afro to round the shape of the plate, if that makes sense. Can I get a big smile? All right, relax your face, relax. And there you have it. A little role play never hurt nobody. So enjoy your leprechaun mask and let's get to the next craft. Y'all saw what I did there? Yeah. And don't forget guys, everything you need is in the description box, so check that out. Now you can make the beard two ways. You can make a cloud shape like we just did for the last craft, or you can do this fun curly beard. This is so cute. Let me show y'all this. All right, I feel like I need to come on here and explain this right here. So what this is, guys, is this is a curling method where you can, I guess, shaving curling method. So you're gonna take this sharp part of the blade. Be careful with this, guys. Put your thumb against it and have the paper in between and apply a little pressure. And if you do it right, it should curl up just like this. You see, let's do it one more time. Bam. All right. So it doesn't take long to get the hang of it, but go ahead and try this. This is really cool. You could do a lot of different crafts with this as well. thing, guys, check this out. So the inside of the mouth, right? I was trying to make the inside of the mouth, but it was a little too big and it was hanging out. I was like, ooh, that's cute. Leave it. I like it. So, of course, y'all can do y'all's, whatever color you want. And the nose, guys, I was struggling to try to figure out how to make this guy's nose. I used a little piece of paper from the bag. I cut a little at the bottom, but you see how it just blends in? You can't even see it. So I went ahead and got a construction paper, a brown piece, and I'm just gonna give him a little tan nose because why not? I don't know. I have no other ways. But if you guys can figure out a way to make the nose, that's all I got to say. But everything else turned out fabulous, as you can tell. So go ahead and glue that nose on and you are done. Yes. What did you say? I know, isn't it cute? Oh, his mouth is so wide open. Do you know how to close his mouth? Yeah. Like that. See? Stick your hand in. I can show you how to do it. Yep, so stick your hand in and you see you make his mouth open and close. Just like that, yeah. Can I see him? Can you turn it around so mommy can see Mr. Puppet? Oh, Kimmy, turn around. I can't see. Let me see. All right, get your hand down. Put your hand down. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys try out these crafts tomorrow, at least one or two of them, okay? St. Patrick's gonna be here. You won't get pinched. I'll see y'all tomorrow for another craft. Bye.